Welcome to the Eagle's Kitchen. You are cooking with the Eagle, and today, by popular request, I'll be doing some Chinese shrimp fried rice. All right, and so these are my ingredients. I have the rice that is prepared here. I did my rice from my rice cooker. I have some shrimp here. I have my oil, sesame oil, soya sauce. I have some beans here. I have here some paprika pepper and some Szechuan. I have some Chinese 5 spice. I have some seasoning salt and sugar. I have here some black pepper, and I have here a set of seasoning. All right, so let's do some cooking. So for this shrimp fried rice, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna fry up some shrimp. I'm gonna do all those shrimp there. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of ginger in there. This is some grind seasoning, and this is a whole lot of garlic. And we're gonna fry this thing up. So to give it a little bit of color, I'm gonna be adding some Szechuan, just to color up. And then also I'll be adding a little bit of chili pepper. I'm gonna let this baby cook up here. While this is cooking, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like us and follow us on Facebook, all right? So I'm just doing my shrimp for a couple of minutes there. I'll just add a pinch of salt and let this baby cook. Just watch your shrimp because you don't want it to be overcooked, all right? So we're doing some Chinese shrimp fried rice. Everybody's asking me, I want to see how you're doing. If you're doing chicken fried rice, you're gonna skip this process, all right? So this is the shrimp cooking. Give it a turn. Shrimp should be finished in a minute or so because I don't want it to overcook. Okay, I'm taking my shrimp off now. The shrimp is cooked well. Okay, that's for the shrimp. And we're now gonna fry the eggs. Put some seasoning salt. a little black pepper. And now I'm going to fry up the eggs. We are cooking up got all my seasoning in there. All right, so I'm gonna go with a spoon of garlic. This is some grind celery and some mixture of stuff. And then a spoon of ginger. All the description will be in the box. Now I'm going to be adding in my this is a little bit of peppermint pepper, some cut up celery, and this is some bandania. I'm adding some onions. What is a nice fried rice without some onions? Now, some sesame oil. Start smelling good up in here. That is my sugar and my seasoning salt, my Chinese spice. This is some black pepper, and this is some Sazan with some paprika powder. Get that in there, and watch this. There goes the rice. And there we go, baby. This is a little bit of fried rice seasoning. Turn this well. I'm gonna taste for salt in a minute. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of soya sauce. And there you have it, guys. See the color, beautiful colors. Now we're going to add our shrimp. I'm trying to avoid for any of those juice that the shrimp release. But a little bit of garnish there. Look at that. Wow. Look, summer rice is loose. There you have it. Everybody's saying you have to get stale rice, leave it overnight, leave it in. No, I just did this rice from my rice cooker. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little taste test. I'm gonna taste it to make sure I have enough of salt and everything. Everything there is a done deal. Wow, look at that. This is a little bit of shallot. Again, as I said, I give it a little bit more garnish. And it is the end of a Chinese shrimp fried rice. Sorry, my pot look a little bit messy. There it goes, guys. Take my stove off. And I'll show you the finishing product. That is the Chinese shrimp fried rice. Okay guys, here is it. See how beautiful my fried rice is. Smells really good also. Alright guys, this is the finished product of my Chinese shrimp fried rice. So beautifully done. So I want you to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to prepare some nice Chinese fried chicken and some other stuff. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And I want you, trust me, try this recipe.